This is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add numbers to the keyboard on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the keyboard itself, then open the keyboard settings by tapping at this icon to your left and going for the settings option. At the Celia keyboard settings page, enter the input category, not input, my bad, the keyboard category. And at the following keyboard page, switch on the show number row toggle. And as you can see, this will lead to this little separate number row to be activated and, be on top of the keyboard characters. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.